Hey everyone, it's Joel Runk, one of the client advisors here at BMW of Minnetonka. When you get a new Ultimate driving machine, what else do you get with the car? Let's break it down. There is a huge amount of value and consumer protection with the manufacturer when you get a new BMW. Here's the breakdown. Each new BMW comes with a comprehensive or bumper-to-bumper warranty for 4 years or 50,000 miles, whichever comes first. The warranty will cover everything in the vehicle if there is a mechanical defect. It doesn't cover wearable items such as brake pads and rotors, things that are designed to take wear, but the big items such as the engine, transmission, infotainment screen, and many other components are all covered. And the coverage continues with BMW Ultimate Care. It's a complimentary maintenance plan that's on top of the extended warranty, and here's what you get. The complimentary maintenance plan covers the following: oil changes, engine air filter replacement, cabin air filter replacement, the batteries in both key fobs, brake fluid, spark plugs, and vehicle diagnostic checks. For 3 years, 36,000 miles, this is covered at no cost to you. And when you're behind the wheel in your new BMW, you have complimentary roadside assistance for 4 years. And that roadside assistance coverage is good in any of the 50 states, 365 days a year. Here's what that covers. BMW's complimentary roadside assistance plan on your new BMW runs 4 years from the date of purchase and provides the following: battery jump starts, delivery of fuel if you're stranded, tire changes, and lockout services. If you want extra protection to cover tire replacement, that is available with BMW of Minnetonka's finance department. And the top-rated brand takes it even one step further, because on plug-in hybrid vehicles like this 550e or on all-electric vehicles behind this one, BMW warrants the battery systems for 8 years, 100,000 miles. If you'd like to learn more, call or text me at 952-295-4970.